See those Gaelic people? I like to call them Gaelics. The Gaelics. I know they don't like that. I'm controversial Campbell and I'm here to tell it like it is. So, the other day, I was doing a bit of shopping. Next thing I hear, 3 bastard lads yabbering away in that funny language. Controversial Campbell, I said to myself, why don't you go up and give them a piece of your mind? So that's what I did. Walked right up and I said to them, hi, you, with your road signs and your schools and your TV channels. Why don't you take your funny little language and go speak it somewhere where I don't have to hear it and get into a rage about it? Turns out those boys were actually over from Poland. Didn't take too kindly to that. Kicked me around the car park 3 times clockwise and then 3 times anti-clockwise. My clock weights were black and blue. They were swollen. I couldn't even have a tug to calm myself down, so I just sat there in perpetual rage for 7 days thinking my head was about to rip off. Learned a lesson that day. If it's a culture you're looking to slag off, stick to the locals. They don't fight back. It's not my car.